Hello tubers and welcome to the Pistol Alignment Workshop. Happy New Year! And to kick things off this year, I'm going to show you a brand new how-to. This time is, you know, on your plastics on your vehicle, you got those black vinyl strips or mudguards or any other parts bolted on, whatever.
Plastic.
Yeah, black plastic. Fades after a while. It goes white. Indicator's a good one as well. And they look disgusting.
Orange. They're not black.
Oh no, it's
Wouldn't
round,
be an
not
indicator,
metal.
would they? They were black.
I think my indicator's got an earthing problem.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Does that work?
No, because they come on and then they go off, and then they come on and then they go off.
You
And
might
then
want to look at that.
yeah. And it does it on the other side as well.
Does it? Oh yeah, you definitely got
It doesn't do it on the light side.
No?
Just the indicators.
Yeah, the dodgy earth.
Yeah. Anyway, yes. Now, the go-to product for this is something like bumper shine or the vinyl cleaners. These make those dull panel.
Are they?
Have you not used it?
Go-to?
No, they go like as you go to the things you're most likely to use. It's not a shop.
Oh right. Okay.
Yeah, you look up like
Well, I don't go there, do I?
No, they're to hand products.
Oh right.
The popular products, the go-to product. Yeah. Yeah. Are these these bumper cleaners, etc. and stuff, which kind of they bring them back to life, but these products are normally expensive.
I'm getting bored now.
Shut up. I've got to explain what we're trying to do here. They're normally expensive. You've got to go out and get them, etc. Blah, blah, blah. And it's a lot of manual labour. Well, we're round here all for half-heartedness and not much labour. We don't want to exert too much energy.
Try to slap the camera stand and make the camera wobble.
Sorry. Oh, yeah. So, we're going to show you a nifty trick here with no products at all. Just a simple fire, because we like fire around here. We've got a heat gun. You can pick these up from any retailer for a couple of quid or online. And this is our donor product. This is off one of our newest projects. This is the...
What's that then?
Well, you might see a proper video. This is off of Kawasaki, I'll tell you that much.
Don't say it's a mudguard.
No, it's not a mudguard. It's a real light assembly folder.
Did you cut that off?
It looks like I did, doesn't it? Hopefully the camera can pick this up. We're getting the right light. White this is. Typical of this age. Oh, this plastic that's gone white. So we're going to start off heating this up with the gun here. You're going to get some light on the situation. Oh yeah, good man. Is that any better for you? Well, hopefully you'll be able to see the effects. So I'm going to start off on the low.
Keep it down your fucking fingers, because that's where it's tanned up there. You see the line? The line.
Ah, yeah, you can see the difference there.
Like a sun bleach.
This is what we're aiming for, and this is what we currently have. So I'm going to start off on low heat on this.
Gas Mark 5.
Yep, and see. Oh, that's really good on my face actually. I like. That's good. So I'm going to start doing this here, and after a couple of minutes, we should start to see the effects, and I'll show you where we get to. So it's already starting to go actually. Right, this is literally a couple of minutes work. I'll stop it there just so you can see.
What happened to mine? Oh, I found it.
You can start to see that big shiny patch. You can see it's starting it to come back. While it gets the torch out, we'll carry on. You over the light?
Yeah, there's a light.
Yeah, look, this here.
Where are we looking? Oh, yeah.
It's very prominent.
Oh, glossy.
And let this cool off between sessions, but you can definitely see where I've been on that panel.
You can see where I've been as well sometimes. It's a big wet patch.
So what I'm going to do is going to carry on, and I'll do all of this so it blends, because otherwise we're still going to have that line, because my work's going to be brighter than even the sun-stained line.
Blend it, Brian.
Yeah, so I'm going to blend it. I'm going to try and do this entire side for you. I'll keep it rolling for a minute so you can see where I get to. This is a great job to do this time of year. This is very nice and warm.
I don't mean the death, it's not even gel.
I don't know how loud this is on the camera.
Oh yeah, good boy.
Yeah. So, Yeah, so these are the bits, because in the summer you want to be out riding the thing, but in the winter it's time to get them looking nice and running right. So if you can remove the panels, it's much easier, obviously, because I'm just doing this in my hand. But
It's not that bad.
that's fine. I'm moving this around. I'm not staying in one area because we don't want to melt it, because these guns are powerful. You can do a lot of damage with them.
See the stains.
See the stains. See the carpet. Yeah. So yeah, but you can do it obviously on the bike. Just be aware of any other paintwork or components there, wiring as well. You don't want to start. Make sure the area is clear. So we're gonna. Just do this bit.
I need a shot. It's going to take long.
Yeah, because I'm in the way. Right, so a couple of minutes. Yeah, we're back. You got your light again. We lost connection momentarily there.
I've lost the fucking will to live.
So there, that part there, obviously, all around here, you can see it's very hard to see the bits that we haven't done now. It's mainly around this indicator here. Like, if I was going to do this properly, I would take all this off. But this a nice, simple way of getting that back without product.
You can see where it is, though. You see the white bit there.
Yeah.
The white bit there.
And this
hold it fucking still in.
That's it. Now you can see the white bit under it.
Yeah.
So this is because you're reconditioning the plastic, you're not just kind of buffing it with all these
back
cleaners. Yeah, it's back to black. Yeah, AC/DC. Is that back to black? Yeah, I think so.
No, AC/90. That's WD.
It does last a lot longer than the products as well. So this, yeah, on your panels in the winter, go for everything that looks like this. It is time consuming, but not too bad. Like this is just a couple of minutes work, and we've done that much. Obviously, it needs blending around all here, so a good 10 minutes on this panel.
That silly indicator off it.
Yeah, well, the tape is showing how well that indicator is. But yeah, so 10 minutes on this. So in all, this is probably about an half an hour panel. Like a bit time consuming, but in this time of year, what else are you going to do in your shed? You want to keep warm, so you fire up your hot air gun, you go around and you recondition.
Drinking this time of year than being in the shed.
Well, funny you should say that, because that's the beauty of being in the shed. Your beer stays cool because you can put that to one side. Your hands stay warm because you're concentrating the heat, and you can have a good time.
Mine's empty.
And you can get away from the missus as well. It's a win-win-win.
Chicken dinner.
So I'm going to carry on with this panel now. I hope that was helpful for anyone out there watching us. I might put a clip of the finished product at the end of this video for all of you. Like, as promised, a little...
Have you pressed record?
Yeah.
No.
I'm caught up then. Put my glove now. So, as promised, the result. So this is... I'm not doing the whole thing to show you, I'll do that later. But this was the before, as you can see. The white, and then this is the after.
Your indicator's fell
Oh
off.
no! Look at that pop and sheen now, and how dark that is. That is the end result. That's what we're looking for. Gonna go over the entire thing. So this thought. That's what you're aiming for.
New old stock.
Yeah, new old. Oh, yeah. You clean up the old panels. Make sure they're nice. Chuck them on eBay. New old stock. Suckers love them. So, anyway, yep, that's us.
Cleaning up faded paint plastic.
Yes, how to, with the Pistol Alignment Workshop. Like and subscribe.
And several cans of Fosters.
See you again.